So this is room 734 of the casino tower at Circus. Now there are three towers at Circus. You've got the Skyrise Tower, which is out the back by the pool area. You have the West Tower, which is behind reception, and the casino tower here, which is pretty much opposite the entrance to the steakhouse, sort of midway down the casino section. So obviously I'm on the 7th floor. Bathroom here, fairly standard. We've got a regular sort of shower tub combo. So a makeup area here. Safe. And your hanging space. And your wet bar area there. And a fairly large fridge to put your own stuff in. Now this is not a regular king, clearly. Some sort of suite, I think. Got a writing area here, and I did get a really lovely little note from the director of guest experience at Circus, welcoming me here, and actually giving me a card for the midway section to play some games later on. Very, very sweet of her to do that. So that's your TV, the chest of drawers, obviously your seating, and a lovely, huge, absolutely massive bed. Looks pretty comfy too, I have to say. So it's a very clean room, perfectly adequate for me. I'm very pleased with it. Not much of a view. I can see obviously the Strat, but I'm very grateful to everyone at Circus for offering me a night here. So I'm going to spend the evening in the West Bar slots area. Looking forward to that. Speak to you soon.